Hey guys, for today's video, we are excited because we are going to be reviewing, testing the new e.l.f. Camo liquid blushes. They have already gone viral. They are nowhere to be found in stores. In one day, they went viral. Oops. e.l.f. really decided to end the year with a big bang. We're gonna be doing some swatches. We're gonna pick one of the colors so we can try it on. Apparently these are a dupe for the Rare Beauty blushes. That's a big statement to make because we all know and love the Rare Beauty blushes. If you do like this kind of video, give the video a like, subscribe down below. So let's get started. I saw these online and I was like, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. I couldn't stop myself. I love their stuff because they are so affordable. They dupe the whole eternally. I mean, the packaging is so pretty. All these blushes go for $7. They are ultra pigmented. When they say pigment, it is not a joke. These are supposed to be long lasting with a soft, dewy finish. These come in 8 different shades. They all come with a nice little doe foot. One dot goes enough. So you may even want to try to scrape away some of the pigment because this is the craziest pigment I've seen in a blush. So let's start first with Dusty Rose. This one is a very pretty light rosy pink. It just looks like a perfect everyday shade. Really, really nice doe foot, very nice baby pink. And we are gonna be swatching these here. Not professional swatching. We don't do this professional around here. Dusty Rose. This one looks almost peachy, but it's like a baby doll, very light rosy pinky mauve color. This looks really, really stunning. And then we have this one here in the shade Swauve Mauve. This one is a tad bit more darker than this one. It is such a stunning color. This looks like a perfect lipstick shade. So stunning. And then we have this one is more of a brown terracotta shade. This one's in the shade Bronze Bombshell. And oh, look at that shade. Such a pretty shade for the fall, even the summertime. And here we have Berry Well. This looks perfect for fall. And there goes that stunning rose color, leaning very much more on the pinky side. They are all swatching the same. Fully pigmented, beautiful, nice, creamy swatches. This one here is in the shade Comin Hot Pink. It is a beautiful fuchsia Barbie doll pink, a little scary for some people. And when you blend it in your face, it just blends into this beautiful dream. So don't be afraid, take some risks. This one here, oh my goodness, you guys. That looks like a scary, beautiful baby doll pink, but it is so beautiful. It actually blends in like a very light pink to the skin. That is a stunning, beautiful pink. And then we have this one here in the shade Coral Crush. Perfect for the spring. That is a stunning coral color. So pretty. And then we have the final, most gorgeous, hottest fuchsia orange. This one's in the shade Gorg Orange. It lives up to this name. I mean, look at this. Isn't that stunning? Watch this one. Guys, look at that orange. Tell me that orange is not stunning. I mean, look at all these shades. These are so pigmented and so creamy. That was intense swatching right there. Let's bring some color to this face. Let's find a shade that will go well with this makeup look. I'm thinking something on the bronzy side. I have kind of like a brownie neutral kind of a look. This one is probably gonna be the best one. This one in the shade Bronzed Bombshell maybe? Let's go with the bronze. We are gonna go with a beauty blender on one side and we're gonna go in with a brush on the other one. This one is my favorite brush from e.l.f. here. This one is the Complexion Duo brush. There is one that was made specifically for these blushes. I looked at it online, it seemed too dense for me, and these are a little scary to blend out. So I wanted something that's dense, but not too dense. Dance, are we dancing? I love the size of this brush. I mean, it's just perfect for the cheekbones and it does the job. This comes out with a lot of pigment, so I am gonna scrape off some of that because I don't need all that. And I'm just gonna go in with one dot. Let's get closer. You can see how this performs. And that is blending very easily to the skin. As you can see, it left just a really pretty color. That blended so easily. Got another little dot, just small, not too much. Blend away. and it blends out super nice to the skin. That blended out in like 3 to 5 seconds. It leaves a very nice soft and dewy finish. Gave me a really nice warm bronzy look. It looks really glowy, it looks really good. I'm obsessed. Let's try on with the Beauty Blender on the other side. I'm gonna go in with 1 dot first, just like we started, and then we'll see about adding another dot, but let's get to it. This is blending out perfectly. I have a little bit of a rash here. This is probably not gonna look as good as the other side, but I mean, that blended out super easily. Underneath this makeup, I just have the L'Oreal Skin Tint Serum. That's what I have underneath. And this just looks really good. So as you can see, there is obviously more pigment on this side because it was blended with a brush, but then you have the other side, which leaves you more of a feathered out look. If you feel like it's too much pigment, you can always go in and blend it out with the Beauty Blender. That looks really good. Let's add another dot to this side. Blend it. Ooh, blends out kind of scary. That is a gorgeous, beautiful, that is very warm, guys. Like, this is not a joke. The more you blend, the more seamless it looks onto your skin, and it just looks so pretty. It's stunning. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Obsessed doesn't even begin to describe how I'm feeling right now. Like, I feel like I am complete. Elf just decided to announce this at the end of the year, and they did what they had to do. Very nice dewy finish. Gorgeous, beautiful undertone. Okay, final thoughts. These are just an 11 out of 10. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for these blushes myself. I purchased them all because I'm obsessed. I just love elf as a brand. They really know how to do it right. Do they do everything right? No. But for the most part, they kill it. These are my favorite blushes, you guys. Like, I have a lot of other cream blushes, but these are so good. Thank you guys so much again for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.